nga so mutsama te nga so muschik kyun mareze murchik kyun mare nga so mutsama tindireze.
And this is not a shortcoming of, just one person. It's not the shortcoming of one ethnicity or one nationality. In fact, this is a shortcoming that all humans possess.
Then yimba shenati nga so mi rangjin de tindi mo shika de tindi zreta yina ti shika ti girna girchu jamna girki yores.
Whilst we might say that this is human nature, as to whether this human nature is able to be changed, whether it's able to be transformed, yes, it absolutely is able to be transformed.
Teni ti girchi gyapkita tini lerji chembo zres ta Khanchen hajan chembo zres.
But however, this process of transformation is a big project, a big undertaking indeed.
Yena nga so karte telam bachun shena teni tin jumjo res.
However, if this is something that we apply ourselves to with great diligence, then we will be able to achieve it.
Teni bachun kandishi go resena nga so nyarji gumbi nekvna teni nga so namgin teni perna moyen nanja tendro yen nanja teni kocho dumur mambo yongkeng go mote sola nga so mukta nawa nyani teni sem go nala samlo mambo tango res kocho go dumur te kandi ndu samne samlo mambo tango res.
And the way that we really need to go about this transformation is by engaging in the compassionate contemplation, really perceiving, really when we apprehend with our eyes and apprehend with our ears the sight and the predicament of people suffering or other living beings suffering before us. This is something that we need to face square on.
Tene nga chon chwa na la namgin nga cho tene perna soso tene lobjog yen nanja soso lechog yen nanja chwa na la namgin nga cho mon na la dingmor mambo yongwa te nga cho mukum thong yore nawa thu yore se yona ti kapse tene nga cho kochu dingmor te la samlo mambo tango res.
And even though it's quite common for us to see suffering in the lives of those around us, whether it be our fellow students or our colleagues or whatever, what we need to do is when we see this, when we perceive this, we hear about their suffering and we see their suffering, observe their suffering, we need to really think about it very, very, contemplate it very, very deeply.
Tene nga cho mo jang ge dungmor la tene samlo tangata mo jang ge dungmor ge tene ton de kajafya patang mo jang ge dungmor mepa she ya ge ton de nga cho shawa leka le ya te la nga cho lobjong she go res.
Thinking about other people's suffering, contemplating their suffering, working to alleviate their suffering, all of these things are things that we need to really learn how to do.
Tene lobjong she ya te la tene khorang la nga cho ti when na namba na la na namba ga thapa chimbo na la na tene khorang tene jondr she ya ti samlo tansar ke tene jondr she ya ke tene thapshi de gumthap de haleba mambo yore je namba na la.
And in terms of this process of learning or study, there are a great many methods and approaches in the Buddhist tradition that can be taken to generate this kind of compassion.
Tani kyorang nangba chula tapa mashina chokore kyorang rang nangba chupa da nangba soma da nangba jinji tani zi mashina chokore kyorang she masum na jugurezi yina nangba tapshi te kyorang ka pesho tangna rang la pantok yores.
You don't have to be of Buddhist faith, you don't have to be a follower of Buddhism, and yet you should still avail yourself of, or feel able to avail yourself of Buddhist approaches and techniques because they will bring you great benefit.
Teni jondr shetserte karezena perna ngaso teni semchin teni hacham napa nak dungur halipa chimbo yongken teni nanda yana ngaso perna semchin chik teni korang ko stokjani ta perna shira ngani ta semchin teni ta stokjang kan ka teni stokja ka yongken ka teni ka semchin dungur hacham chimbo yongken nanda teni zela teni muktani teni ko dungur ta tambo hako gores.
So when we do encounter a being that is suffering very, very intensely, such as an animal who has been delivered to a slaughterhouse and is in a state of great suffering, then this is something that we really need to look at very squarely with our own two eyes.
Teni个三路当用的，teni ngaco korang la dungur chimbondu samba de ngaco hakon ores.